loosen the axle nut before removing the brake caliper.
Have a person inside the vehicle apply the brakes.
14. 14. Normally they're pretty easy to take out. Yeah. All right. We always hang the brake caliper on a wire to hold the weight. So we loosen up the bracket that holds the hydraulic line so we can get the caliper out of the way. All right, the bracket bolts are a 15 millimeter. Always break them loose with the wrench. Here's what's planned for you, bro. 'Doesn't really matter sometimes the order. About 10 degrees out here. See these splines here? That's why I have to hit it with the hammer, because these splines are in the grooves. These are the bolts that hold the hub in. The old hub. Oops. Alright, so I just put this on, somebody distracted me and I forgot to turn the camera on. The shield can only go in one way. Drop the bolts in and then tighten. You need to borrow Matt's car and pick him up now. You don't take the mechanic's car. I mean, align the splines. These grooves right here. So they're going to go through the, see these flat spots? Align those where a wrench can get on them. Yeah, tell my brother, no more projects till it gets warm. You need 21 millimeter. It's only 2 degrees above freezing, bro. Tom, all I need is move them in a little bit to get the to get them fit around the brakes. I hope you got the hand strength, because I sure don't. I don't even know how you can have your bare hands out in the cold like that. Because I'm a man. This has a flat side on one. Make sure that flat aligns with the flat on the caliper. may not want to listen to that thing. Very